later on this day, we're gonna try to rent a motorcycle and explore the city. Mimi's gonna drive.
No.
On the way to the hotel, we just arrived, and Surya is bringing us to the hotel. Our hotel is Plancha, Bali Hotel and Spa. Guys, so nandito na tayo sa aming hotel. It's Plancha Bali Hotel and Spa. Check out the place. Kain muna kami dahil gutom na kami, so hindi na siguro namin mapupuntahan yung first. Ooh. Finally guys, answered prayer. It's time to eat. And this one is so happy.
Let's go.
So if you can see, there's the beach over there. I'm so tired. And we're gonna go to Marco's place. Just watch the vlog, guys. Let's see his villa, his very expensive villa. Nandito po tayo sa hotel ni Marco. Bibisitahin natin siya.
Seminyak.
This is the Seminyak Hotel. Let's see Marco's room. So, nandito na po tayo sa room ni Marco. Mr. Manyo. Marco!
What's wrong with you?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Oh,
Welcome to our
This is
villa.
Marco's villa.
Welcome to our
Oh, damn!
Hi. Swimming tayo.
Noise! Ay, hello po. Good
Dito po,
afternoon.
ninang namin. Hi po.
Hello po.
Si Mimi, kasama niya sa UP.
Tingnan nyo to, ang ganda. Nasa harap, beachfront.
Bakit hindi tayo matulog?
Motor tayo ngayon. Nagrenta kami ng motor, ako magdadrive. Punta tayo sa Waterbom Park. Guys, we survived. Woo! That was 8 kilometers and sobrang init. Sunog na naman tayo. Pero ang sayang magmotor as in. So let's go. Kung makikita nyo po, may mga rides mamaya. Naka-ready na, naka-aqua shoes na si ate. Ako din. Nalobat na po ang GoPro, so ito na lang ang pang vlog natin. Cashless payment system. Let's do this shit. 280.
536.
Yes, sir. Haggard. Dober Sosa. Bye-bye, 1 million. So, yeah, we're gonna try this one. Wait, bubukan na yung phone ko.
Ayoko na.
Ilalagay ko na sa loob. Baka tong hilawan yung phone ko.
Wait, i-video ko muna yung how.
Sige.
Sige, video.
So, i-video namin. Unfortunately,
Yung sasakyan namin,
di namin mabibideo yung sarili namin.
takot po kami eh. But we'll try this one.
Di na po namin mabibideo kasi hindi ko mahawakan. later. We're just gonna ride this ship. Pray for us, okay? So guys, we are done with our first ride. We're gonna check out the lazy river here. And yeah, I'm gonna hold my phone because this is waterproof. Let's go! Ay, hindi. Saan ba yung starting? Just so you guys know, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro is waterproof. At pagkatapos lahat ng pagod, it's time for smoothies. We have a banana here and a strawberry. Sarap yung tap. Diba? Dito kinuha yan. Fresh from the tree. Banana smoothie. We are done here at the Waterbom water park, and we're going home now. I still have 8% left. Next plan is to go to La Plancha beach, and yeah, we'll see what's there, and we'll record what's left. We'll record what's left of this 8%. So guys, we're back at the hotel and pupunta po tayo ngayon sa La Plancha Beach just to check out what's going on in there, and after that pupunta tayo kay na Marco and we're having dinner together. Nagpapaganda na po si Honey. Okay na yan, maganda ka na. Tara na, let's go! Guys, we're here at La Plancha Beach and we're enjoying the scenery, and of course we're enjoying the music. Mid seats. How are you?
I'm okay.
Are you enjoying? Me too. Hinihintay lang po namin mag-text si Marco para sa dinner, and imi-meet po namin sila mamaya mga 8 o'clock for dinner. So umiinom muna kami. Blue sky.